Let me be real with you. When I started my online business, my biggest fear was that I wasn't good enough. The insecurities was real, and I kept thinking, what if I fail? I was worried that I didn't have enough skills or that I wasn't tech savvy enough. I kept comparing myself to others and wondering, do I have what it takes? Then I found a program that changed everything. It's a done for you business, meaning I didn't have to create the landing page, capture page, or even videos. Everything was set up for me, and the program taught me how to market my business for free using social media. On top of that, I joined a supportive community that's always there to help. And that's how I overcome the fear, by taking actions, getting the right support, and not letting self-doubt stop me. If you are ready to push past your fear and start your online business, type I am ready in the comments, and I'll share how you can do it too.